Yo, you gotta watch these niggas, because I don't trust these niggas. Yo, you gotta watch these niggas, because I don't trust these niggas. Yo, you gotta watch these niggas, because I don't trust these niggas. Yo, you gotta watch these niggas, because I don't trust these niggas. Tired of the lies and all the bull jive when I come through. You better recognize T. Hayes in this bitch, running trains on them hoes. Son, switch that shit, making history. I hope y'all never forget. I walk around state to state like I'm the shit, famous, but on the real, I ain't shit. I'm back in the studio trying to make me a hit. I'm focused. I ain't playing no more. Get money, keep rapping, go on tour, work out all day until I get sore. Tighten up a little bit. 2012, this is it, this is it. I keep going, Tim Dog never quit. Keep flowing, rap music, my shit. I get distracted. Sometimes my mind drift off. Top shelf, nigga, like Rick Ross, I'm a boss. Like Rick Ross, I'm a boss. But yo, you gotta watch these niggas, because I don't trust these niggas. Yeah, you gotta watch these niggas, because I don't trust these niggas. I'm blazing hot, I'm burning up. T. Hayes and this bitch about to tear shit up. I'm popping, I'm rocking, my music banging. Feeling good right now, son, you know what I'm saying. Going hard in the paint, no time for playing. Show and prove, bust a move. I'm cool, I'm nice, I'm so damn smooth. Going all out for mine, I got nothing to lose. Be careful about the things I choose. I drink brews and party all night. Set it all just right. When I grab the mic, I be kicking the flow. Get crunk in this bitch, let's start the show. If your ass acting up, your ass got to go. I let them know I ain't fucking around. Don't make me let them go, cause I shut shit down. Fuck with me, homie, don't play that clown. Straight from Vicky Town, it's the LBC. Split the same nigga, see me rolling up tree. AVE, dog, I'ma rep that shit till the day I die. You better believe that shit. You better believe that shit. But yo, you gotta watch these niggas. Yo, I don't trust these niggas. Yeah, you gotta watch these niggas, because I don't trust these niggas. Yo, you gotta watch these niggas, because I don't trust these niggas. All I really wanna do is drink alcohol, have a blast party every week, have a ball, get money, fuck bitches, I'ma make them squall. Bedrock, bang their head up against the wall. Keep a rubber, no more kids, nigga, hell no. I'ma set this bitch straight, one cent for all. T. Hayes, 1-800, I won't ever fall. If I do get back up, yo, I'm yay tall. I think big, y'all niggas think too small. The HNIC, big shots I call. The head honcho, I do it real macho. Every time I come through, I spit an ill flow. Rap all my life, one day I might blow. Live and direct when I put on a show. Hustle hard, son, I gotta get the dough. Let me know where the action at. T-Spliff, action pack, fuck the dumb shit, I ain't having that. I go hard in the paint, kid, I never slack. When I grab the mic, I blaze the track. When I grab the mic, I blaze the track. But yo, you gotta watch these niggas, because I don't trust these niggas. Yo, you gotta watch these niggas, because I don't trust these niggas. Watch these niggas. Don't trust these niggas. Watch these niggas. Don't trust these niggas.